Oh, you thought I was done making weather videos. That's because, well, there was no weather things going on. Well, here's a weather video for you. And if you're wondering what happened to the Terraria Let's Play, let me just say that, my computer's hard drive burned out, but I got the data back, and the video files for it are on a separate one, so that's going to continue at some point. Right now my computer is off at this very moment, at the time of this recording, which is probably going to be like 30 minutes before I upload it. Because this storm seems like it's going to be bad. So here's me, sitting out here filming the storm that might or might not cause a power surge. Whew. The rain picks up. Well, I don't have anything to talk about. Well, it is currently windy here, and ever since my computer fiasco, I'm kind of really scared for anything inside or outside the house that can potentially take out that computer, including thunderstorms, power surges, something burning down the house. My goodness. Yikes. What is going on over there? I hear like firecrackers. Oh my goodness, the wind is picking up. Oh. Oh. What? Okay, I'm legitimately scared now. The wind just picked up to like double its speed, dude. Woo! Should I even be out here right now? Is that hail? Oh my god, that's hail. I think it's hail? I don't know. Whoa! Oh, whoa! Yeah, heck this, dude. Oh my god, it's just shmup out there, dude.
Getting wet?
You see, the wind just picked up to like double its speed. I guess I can stay near the door. Sure, why not? Things are getting wet out here today, folks. I feel like sitting out here today. Woo! Spicy! I've only been recording for 6 minutes and it's already like this? Oh, it's supposed to get worse even. Don't take shelter under trees, kids. Hey, how's it going? A little bit. I don't know. Yeah, I'm already out here. The wind just picked up to double its speed. That's probably why I'm cold right now. It didn't used to be this cold. Yeah, that could be a good idea. Woo! Lights up the entire night sky. Like, if you freeze frame that, it looks like it's daylight out. That's pretty insane. No news, I am kind of freezing out here. I'm also tired. Tired, freezing. Yeah. Brr. Anyway, you can kind of hear just how bad it's become. I think it passed. Hey, nature, I think it passed. Oh, yep. Oh, that was close. That was close by. All you gotta do is assume that it's passed, and then it's gonna shoot another lightning bolt. Wow, that one just rolls for like 5 different seconds, doesn't it? It's still making the ground shake. Yeah, I'm particularly freezing right now. Thanks for asking. You didn't ask. I'm going to assume that you asked. And if you did ask, then thanks for asking. I am freezing. If you didn't ask, then you should have asked because I'm freezing. Hey, Gramps. I'm currently freezing. Perhaps. I don't want to miss these awesome light show. I agree. I think it's almost over. As soon as you say, I think it might be over or it might pass through, it's gonna light up the sky again. Hey, I think it's over. We'll wait for it. Oh, it's coming. Any day now. Bless. Bless. Someone turned on their lights across the street.
They've got motion lights on their house.
I mean, like, all behind the pond. Yeah, that's even... That's not actually visible on the camera. Woo! I saw that one. That one was like, went sideways. Insane. Well, the worst has probably already passed, but there's still more to come, I say. I'm gonna record until we either hit 15 minutes or this iPhone decides to not have enough space. Wait a minute. I just freed up like 3 gigs of music. Okay. I guess here's something to talk about. Content creation on my channel. Now, I know that content creators on YouTube nowadays have to use these tactics like clickbaiting or enticing the user to watch. Now, you should know by now that I don't employ any of those tactics, actually. I just deliver the content to whoever's interested. If they click it, then that's cool. If they don't, well, that's cool too. Okay. That's cool too. I don't like do thumbnail arrows. In fact, I don't think I have done even one custom thumbnail on my channel. I leave it all up to YouTube. I don't do thumbnail arrows or starting my videos off with Sonic is a bad franchise. You want to know why? Stay tuned, you know? Like, that's kind of cheap. It's this buzzwordy catchphrase that all make users are like, what? Nuh-uh. Oh, wait. Let me just hear this guy out. Let me, like, segregate 10 minutes of my time. Segregate? Is that the word? No. Segregate, it's a racial thing. Oh. Let me allot 10 minutes of my time to hearing this guy's opinion on why Sonic is a bad franchise. Or something. Maybe someone's like, there's a secret in Mario 1 that wasn't found until today, and people will be like, maybe, there's no way, right? This is a frickin' 30-year-old game. What else is there that we don't know about it? Well, I guess you could say that's just people making videos on interesting topics, but you also gotta consider someone else has probably already done this on a smaller channel and probably went into a lot more detail, and they don't get even half those views. You know what else is great? When a reaction channel that's bigger than yours gets more views than your channel did. And they link you in your description to give credit, but is that credit going to help anybody? Because they've already seen the video. They've already seen the video with this guy laughing at it or reacting to it. So what's the point of watching it again? To most people. You know, it's strange, to say the least. And there are some cars over there going really slow. Because I think there is a freight truck, or semi-truck, passing through here. I don't know what their deal is, but they're going real slow, and everyone behind them is going real slow. So that's interesting, I would say. And I guess the storm's over. Just so you know, and you're probably going to call me out on this. Someone I know is going to call me out on this, but I like to deliver genuine content. And not like made up or with some kind of faked personality or some kind of, hey kids, welcome to my Let's Play channel, it's time to, like, what? No, I'm not like that. I don't have to put on an act to deliver content. I don't. And I won't. I kind of refuse to do that. Because it doesn't feel real. It doesn't feel genuine, and it doesn't feel... It feels like, you know what it feels like? It feels like you're taking something and making it into a way for you to get money. Now, I understand YouTube's a business, but, you know, are there any honest YouTubers left out there? I mean, I could name a couple. Vinny, Joel, just people with Vinesauce are pretty alright. I think Relax Alex has got, still has some, like, some good views. Alpharad seems like he's losing sight. And just becoming one of those too big to talk to your fans type of... Oh! Well, pardon me. I'm sorry. Okay, I take back everything I said. Alpharad's alright too. Oh. Oh. Okay. The storm was never over. Well, that obviously wasn't our power grid because the lights across the street are still on, but wow, that kind of jump scared me. Okay, well that's my semi-rant about content creation. and how I just deliver it to you. Just deliver it how it is. With no extra fluff or padding. Or at least I try to. It's almost like you're sitting there in the room with me as it happens, cause like I don't make it any other way. Well, anyway, I guess that was the finale of this video. Giant lightning bolt. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna stop recording, and there's gonna be like a huge one that might even take out our power, but yeah. I'll probably put in the description if that happens. Anyway, thanks for your view. It makes me feel nice when people view my video. And bye.